Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello. All signs. Okay, checking ng inyong person's emotion. Oo, ngayong week na parating. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And yeah, kung gusto nyo magpa-private reading kay Perception of Light, message nyo lang po siya sa kanya pong FB page. And sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo, pwedeng mag-message. And syempre, don't forget to follow yung dalawang YouTube channel na nasa ilalim, nasa description box. Okay po, Love Letter and yung Rescue Animals, parang Rescue Animals at yung pagkakatanda ko. So, sa kapatid ko po yun. So, sa iba sa inyo na mahilig sa animals, mga pet lovers, yan. Yeah, magugustuhan yun. Okay, so pasensya na po sa mga background na ingay, diba? So, again, pagdating sa ating mga items, all available. Protection from evil eye. Okay, and meron tayong love bracelet, si love bracelet. Okay, and yung ating cord cutting. So, si cord cutting unisex po yun, ha. And yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter necklace, ganun rin, unisex rin. So, kung may mga tanong para saan po yun, ganito, ganyan, mag-message na lang po sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, again, yeah, let's start the reading. This is all signs. Ours through Pisces. Okay, check natin kung ano bang emosyon ni person mo ngayong week pagdating sa'yo. Okay? You can check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node kung alam ninyo. Okay, so first is Aries. So, ano bang emosyon ng iyong person ngayon na iniisip? Okay, anong emosyon niya ngayon sa'yo? Aries. Okay, so sino ba muna ito? Anong meron sa kanya? The Five of Wands. So, meron kayong drama ngayon. May problem kayo ngayon. I think the Queen of Swords. They cut you off or maybe you cut them off. So, I think may silence akong nakukuha. Okay, silence. Ace of Swords. So, I think meron ditong mga kailangan pag-usapan, mga kailangan linawin. Okay? So, meron pa kayo ibang energy na nakikita dito, Aries. Some of them, they're giving you mixed signals. Yeah, they're giving you mixed signals. They are like acting avoidant or ang tawag dito, cold, distant. Okay, so let's see, what is your emotion right now? Oh, the Six of Wands. Nakukuha mong attention itong taong to. Yeah. So, yung attention niya nasa iyo, nakafocus sa'yo, Aries. Okay? Eight of Cups. So, kung ano man meron, current, past mo ba to, mga ganyang bagay. So, hindi ka pa rin totally nililimot. Okay, nitong taong to, nandyan yung pagbalik, if ever. Kung ito ay past person, yeah, you're in their mind. Some of them, nag-iisip sila ng way kung paano may ma-fix sa inyo, sa sitwasyon ninyo, whatsoever. Okay? Kahit sila ay nag-aak na parang walang pakialam, tahimik, whatsoever, meron silang pake sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, the Six of Swords. Sa ngayon, magulo pa lang ang utak nito. Pero, yes, hindi ka nawawala sa isip niya. Okay? So, there. Yun lamang, checking lang tayo ng emotion ng person. Next, Taurus. Taurus placements, your person's emotion. towards you this coming week. Let's see. Taurus. So, sino ba itong taong to? The Knight of Swords. The King of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you, meron kang ayaw sa taong to. I don't know if this is their sabihin nating parang may pagkamadaldal, maingay. Okay? Some of them, ito puro salita, puro kuda, pero walang gawa. May mga ganong bagay. Okay? Some of them, lagi silang lumalayo, tumatalikod sa mga responsibilidad. Ayaw nila yon. Or, if there's this, sabihin nating pag-uusap about responsibilities, ayaw nila yon. Okay, yeah, the Justice Anniversary, they're being, unfair. So, let's see, what is their emotion right now? Feelings, thoughts, this coming week, pagdating sa'yo, Taurus. The King of Swords in reversed. I hate this person. Ayoko ng energy niya, Taurus. Binibigyan ka nito ng stress, no? I think so. Judgment. So, paaasahin ka ng taong to. Okay, they will leave you like, needy pagdating sa kanila. Andyan yung pahabol effect. May pahabol, okay, na gustong gawin itong taong to, magpapahabol sa'yo, mga ganyan. So, there's this, immaturity na meron. Okay? Now, the Ten of Wands in reverse, they will drop you, actually. Yung parang hindi ka talaga pakikilman. Okay? Gusto ng taong to, parang hahabulin mo, kakailanganin mo siya, mga ganyang bagay. Some of you, talagang ginagawa mo yun pagdating dito. Pagdating sa kanya. Some of you, you're too sensitive, emotional. Kaya kapag nabitawan ng salita, talagang tatatak, no? So kapag hindi ginawa, ayan na, iiyak na or what? Magdaramdam. Okay? So alam ng taong ito, Taurus, kung paano ka manipulahin. Be careful. Be careful. Some of them may chance na may pang-blame na gagawin. Babalik ta rin niya yung mga sitwasyon. Excuse me. Ituturo niya sa'yo, no? Ituturo niya sa'yo lahat ng issue. Kung meron siyang nagagawang mali, sa'yo yung sisi niya. Yeah, the Knight of Wands in reverse. Okay, so the Knight of Wands in reverse, wala silang plano, wala silang direction. Immature. Okay, so there. Next. Gemini. Hang on, sandali lang po sandali lang. Okay, so Gemini, let's see. Sino ba itong person na to? Para makita natin yung kanya emotion pagdating sa'yo. Okay, the World in reverse, you have unfinished business, have or had unfinished business. The World in reversed. Chariot. Oh. This person likes to travel, loves to travel. Okay. Mahilig siya mag-travel. Let's see. Ayun lang mga specific kung nakita. Some of you, you're moving on. Or maybe they are. Emotion right now. Two of Cups. Yeah, still attached. Still aligned. Sa isa't isa. Okay. And the Knight of Wands in reversed. Itong taong to, gulong-gulo, Gemini. Okay? They feel a strong connection with you or maybe felt a strong connection. Pero hindi nila siniseryoso. I don't know, like overwhelmed or baka na-intimidate or whatsoever, takot, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, some of them, andyan yung parang nakakaramdam sila ng intimacy or passion or whatsoever. Sexual. Okay, this coming week, pagdating sa'yo. And the Four of Wands universe. If ever, na inaasahan mo na makikipag-ayos tong taong to, there's separation here, 100%. So, kung ikaw is hindi kayo, kung kayo ay magkasama hindi to sa'yo. So, this is for somebody, Geminis na nasa separation. Okay, so hindi ka pwedeng wala eh. Hindi ka makakapag-expect ng pagbabalik from them. Yeah, they're moving on. Some of them, they're playing the field. Parang ganyan. Pero, nararamdaman ka pa rin niya. Oo, hindi ka pa rin totally naaalis. Okay, pasensya na ha sa aking energy dahil I'm not feeling well. Oo, so, Cancer. Let's see, the person on your mind. Sino ba to? And ano bang feelings nila for you? So, the Lovers, the Five of Swords in reverse, the Six of Wands. This person wants you. They like you, pero hindi nila alam kung dapat ba or what. Let's see, ano bang meron? Some of them, they're connected na or committed na somewhere else. Okay, so the Knight of Wands in reverse. So, some of you see this person as a player or a cheater. Okay? Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. A non-committal. Yeah. A non-committal. The Eight of Swords. Some of you, hindi mo pa rin may alis sa isip mo itong taong to, even though sabihin natin pwedeng hindi siya naging fair sa'yo in general. So, what is their feelings for you right now? Or, yeah, this coming week? The Six of Pentacles in reversed. Unfair. The Seven of Swords. Still cheating. Still lying. Some of you, I'm hearing revenge from this person, Cancer. Yeah, the Hermit. I'm hearing revenge. This person is planning kung ano man ang meron. Parang planning to sneak back into your life if ever kayo ay may separation na nangyari. Kung kayo ay still connected dito sa taong ito, andyan pa rin yung hindi pa rin sila magiging full pledge, di ba? 100% into you, or yeah, andyan yung pagsisinungaling, lie. Some of you, this is third party. Okay, hindi ko pa rin nakikita itong taong to maging loyal or genuine or whatsoever, trustworthy pagdating sa inyo. Some of you, okay, Cancer, iniisip ng taong ito na ikaw ay gumagawa rin ng hindi maganda sa kanya, so that is why. Some of you, yeah, andyan yung iba't ibang sitwasyon ninyo, so gumagawa ito ng parang isipin na okay, so siguro si Cancer ganto, ganyan, ganto. So, okay, hindi ako para magpaka isip-isip dito, so ako rin gagawa ko ng something na sabihin natin hindi rin fair pagdating kay Cancer. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking nakukuha from them. So there. Yeah. Nagkaroon kayo ng sex-based connection ng taong to, some of you. Yeah. Anyway, so next. Leo. Leo placements. I have angel number for you, 1414. Okay. Leo, who is this person? Who is this person? Okay. The Justice could be a Libra. Some of them, they have legal issue, legal background. Okay. Some of them, they're a lawyer. Somebody who works in the government, some of you. The Queen of Swords in reversed. They have legal issue. They have legal background. This is big Libra placements. The Queen of Swords in reversed. Okay. So, Leo, ano nakuha ko dito sa taong to? Even though some of them is nakagawa ng mali, parang paninindigan niya yon. Hindi siya para mag-sorry or what. Hindi siya marunong umako ng kasalanan. Some of them, hindi sila aware na meron silang nagagawang mali pagdating sa'yo. Hindi sila marunong makinig. Some of them. The High Priestess. Some of you have a secret affair with this person, Leo. A secret affair. So, ano emosyon niya for you right now? This coming week? The Page of Swords. Kung hindi kayo magkausap ngayon, gusto niya makipag-usap. They want communication with you. Yeah, the Eight of Cups. The Queen of Wands in reversed. Meron ako nakikita ditong mga gustong pag-usapan. Okay? May mga gustong alisan, may mga gustong pag-istayan. Ano tong Eight of Cups? Itong taong to, kung hindi ka makakarinig mula sa kanya, this person is like, okay, hayaan ko na lang muna to and I'll walk away. Parang ganyan. Yeah, strength. They'll hold back. Mag-hold back to. Tatalikuran niya. Yeah. Okay? Some of them, takot silang umako ng kasalanan nga. Takot silang mag-approach sa'yo. I don't know why. Okay? Itong taong to nakagawa ng mali sa'yo to, Leo. And feeling nila, kapag sila nakipag-communicate sa'yo, tatalikuran mo lang sila or what. So, hindi ko para intay na mangyari yun. So, ako na yung parang magiging distant dito or cold. Hindi ako para mag-approach. Some of them, ayaw nilang masasagi yung ego and pride nila. Okay? So, alam nila na away lang to. Away lang ang mangyayari if ever. Then, bakit pa? Parang ganyan. Okay? So, there. Next. Virgo. Virgo placements. Kumusta mga Virgo? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Virgos. So, anong meron? Who is this person? Who is this person? The Two of Wands in reversed. And the Hermit. Marami siyang ibubunyag sa'yo. Marami siyang plano na magiging open pagdating sa'yo. Okay, yeah, the Five of Swords. They will give you clarity. Or maybe, sila itong tao na parang nagiging open. Some of them, they are loner, pero open sila sa'yo, Virgo. Okay? Focus nito na sa'yo lang, I think. Could be, this is you, Hermit. Okay, some of you, itong taong ito, kabaliktaran mo. I don't know sinong introvert dito. Itong isa, extrovert. Okay? Some of them, they're moody. Okay? May pagka-moody. Hindi sila open pagdating sa lahat. Okay? Like, sabihin nating pili lang. Hindi mo masyadong kinakausap itong taong to, pero sila yung kausap ng kausap sa'yo, Virgo. That's specific. Hindi yun para sa lahat. What is your emotion right now? The Six of Swords. Okay. The Queen of Cups. Naguguluhan siya. Okay, naguguluhan siya. Pero, nandyan yung energy na parang ginugusto ka ng taong to, like, lumalalim. Okay, nagugustuhan ka niya, Virgo. Okay. So, yeah, the King of Cups is here, the Two of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, mag-open up sa'yo tong taong to. Mararamdaman mo yon maybe sa actions niya, like that. Sa actions. Okay? So, yeah. May mga gagawin itong sabihin nating magbibigay sa'yo ng mga isipin bakit niya yun ginagawa. I don't know if this is a new person. Okay? Or, yeah, is this a new person or ano? Pass. New person upright. Past person reversed. Let's see. Who is this? Yeah, this is a new person. The Knight of Wands. This person likes you. This person likes you. Okay? Yung energy niya is parang craving for you. This person always wants na kasama ka, makikita ka. They're like playful around you. Yeah, they're playful. Mabiro, mga ganyan. Okay? So, pero, yeah, they're open. They like you. Emotionally, they're open. I think crush ka na itong taong to, Virgo. Anyway, so there. Magbibigay na yan ng parang sign na parang open silang, tulungan ka, I don't know kung anong meron. Okay? May mga ano na ang tawag dyan, pahapyaw, oo, na mga signs na they're into you. Okay? So, next, Libra. So, Libra placements. Let's see your person's emotion this week. So, sino ba to, Libra? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron dito sa taong to? The Five of Swords in reversed. Okay, the Knight of Wands. You like this person. Okay, you like them. Anong meron dito sa Knight of Wands? Some of them, they're younger. Gusto mo laging kasama to. So, pwedeng nakapagbigay ng kasiyahan. Parang ganyan. What's with this Knight of Wands in reverse? Yeah, the Six of Cups. Kita mo sa taong ito na sabihin nating nakaka-jive mo siya. Ayan. Ka-vibes mo. Parang ganyan. Ka-energy. Okay? Nakakita ka ng strong connection or sabihin natin nakakita ka ng parang okay, pwedeng lumalim yung connection namin ng taong to. Parang ganyan, yeah, the world. Okay? Some of you, this is a past person. They missed you. This is a player. But yeah, they miss you. Gusto nila makipag-ayos, sa totoo lang. I don't know, some of you, ikaw itong parang ginugusto mo, itong past person na to na ayusin niya. Yung mga maling gawin niya, immaturity, kung ano man. Para sabihin nating gumanda yung flow ng connection nyo. So, yan ang mga nakikita ko from that person. Okay, so, take lang. Abay, nabubulol ako. Just take what resonates, okay? And leave what doesn't. Let's see. Ano bang emosyon ng taong to ngayong week for you? So, sinasabi dito na some of them, they're missing you. They want to talk. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Emotion nila for you, Libra. The Ace of Wands inversed. And the Four of Wands in reversed. Parang feeling nito wala nang mangyayari, wala nang pag-asa. Yeah, the Four of Cups. Okay? Parang feeling nito wala nang pag-asa. Ang daming cups dito. Cups and Wands. Takot ito ma-reject. Yeah, the Magician in reverse. Takot siya ma-reject. The Ace of Wands in reverse. Hayaan ko na lang. Ay, kasi baka hindi maging okay ito. Parang ganun. So, hayaan na lang nila to. Kung ito ay sabihin nating somebody na ginugusto mo or ginugusto ka. Wala pa yung ano dito wala pa yung energy ng label. Pero gusto nila ng label with you. Yeah. The Star. Some of them, alam mo, nakakaramdam ng selos kahit wala pa man kayo. Okay? Kung wala pa man kayo ng taong to, ex mo to, nakakaramdam sila ng selos. Yeah. Si ex mo, si past mo, nandyan yung parang feeling hopeless, they need you. Yan. Okay? Walang pathway, walang direction sila. Yeah, the Eight of Swords in reverse. The Knight of Cups. Hindi nila malaman kung anong gusto. Hindi nila alam kung paano mag-approach, if ever. Next, Scorpio. Scorpio placements, your person's emotion this coming week. Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So, Scorpio. Who is this person? Scorpio. For Scorpio, who is this person? The Nine of Wands. They're guarded. Actually, they're guarded. Hard to trust. The Nine of Wands. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, there's this mahirap na sitwasyon with this person. I'm seeing some of you, meron ditong energy ng third party. You're invested to them. Nakakaramdam ka ng challenge sa taong to, Scorpio. Sa totoo lang, nakakaramdam ka ng challenge. Or maybe they are. Let's see, what is your emotion right now? Some of you, they don't trust you. They don't trust you na magkiklik kayo. What is their emotion? The Queen of Cups in reverse. So they have healthy boundaries. They're protecting themselves, their heart. Okay? Yeah, they have trust issue. Ano tong Queen of Cups in reverse? Yeah, the Devil in reverse. They're protecting themselves. Themselves from you. Takot to masaktan, Scorpio. Takot siya masaktan. I don't know kung bakit. Kung anong tingin niya sa'yo. And the Ten of Cups is here. You want them. You want this person. Yeah. Pero hindi sila ganun ka-open pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, I think this person is letting you in din naman. Pero nandoon yung energy about protecting yung sarili, yung kanilang emosyon. Okay? So, how do they see you? Let's see. How do this person sees you, Scorpio? How do they see you? And the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Nakikita ka lang yung hindi sabihin natin kailangan maging available sa'yo. Parang ganyan. The Five of Pentacles. Ito yung tingin niya sa'yo ay hindi siya dapat maging open or hindi siya dapat talagang magtiwala agad-agad. Parang ganyan. Hindi ako magiging all in, all out sa'yo, Scorpio. Parang ganyan. They're like guarded. Yeah. Eventually, nakakuha ko dito ng progress. Somebody will open up. Unti-unti, maybe. Okay, sa'yo, itong taong to, Scorpio. There, that's nice though. Well, hindi natin pwedeng ipilit na, huy, ako ay iyong pagkatiwalaan. No? Oo. Sa kusa na yun, kusa na dapat nilang ibibigay. So, Sag, let's see your person's emotion this coming week for you. Tingnan natin ano bang meron sa kanya. Anong meron sa taong to, Sag? Who are they? The Ten of Pentacles. So, some of you, pwedeng long term na kayo nito, ng taong to. Some of you, you see them na pwedeng magkaroon ng long term connection. Okay? Nakikita mo tong taong to na pwede mong makasama habang buhay. Yeah, the Seven of Cups. Ito yung taong parang uulit-ulitin mong pipiliin. Parang ganon. Okay? Iba sa kanila, they're breadwinner. They're a breadwinner. You've been waiting for them. So, what is their emotion right now? What is their emotion? The Four of Wands. Yeah, they still want you if ever may separation. Pero kung kayo ay magkasama, yeah, may chance na gusto nitong i-level up. Okay? Yung inyong connection. Yeah. Meron ako nakikita rito magiging open na pagdating sa family. Maybe both. Okay? What's with the Four of Wands? Yeah, the Three of Wands inversed. Yun nga lang. Diba? May paganon. Itong taong to hindi pa ready. Okay? Iisa yung inyong intention. Pero they're not ready, I think. The Star is here in reversed. Yeah, the Five of Cups. Somebody is moving on. I don't know who's who. Okay? Some of them, darating at darating. Iba sa inyo ha. Darating at darating yung pagkakataon na kaya nitong tumalikod sa kung kanino man para lang sa'yo. Okay? Hindi yun para sa lahat. Pero may nakita akong ganun. Yung kaya niyang tumalikod kahit saan para sa'yo. Okay? Kaya niya magsakripisyo para sa'yo. Parang ganun. Okay? So, there. Even though hindi sila sigurado, hindi nila alam magiging resulta, something like that. So, next, Capricorn. So, Capricorn, let's see. The person na iniisip mo, ano bang emosyon nila for you? So, sino ba to, Capricorn? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron sa kanya? Justice. Could be Libra. Or meron silang Libra placement sa kanilang birth chart. What's with that Justice? They want fairness. The Ace of Cups, inversed. Gusto ka niya, pero I don't know kung nakakapagbigay na to ng kanyang cup of love sa'yo. This is a new person though. Yeah, the Sun is here. This person, they feel drawn. They feel drawn pagdating sa'yo. Okay, they're in love actually. They're in love. Could be water sign. We have here Leo. Parang nagsisimula pa lang tong connection na to, I think. O, diba? Pasensya na po ha sa mga sa mga hi, buhay na tugtugo. Okay, so let's see their emotion. What's their emotion? Gusto ka nila. They're in love. Hindi lang totally pinapakita, no? The Seven of Cups is here in reversed. Is this a past person, some of you? If this is a past person, okay. So, sama natin si past person. Kung si past person, gusto niya makipagayos. Gusto kanya makita. Nakakaramdam itong past person na to ng panghihinayang pagdating sa'yo. Panghihinayang sa sitwasyon, panghihinayang sa lahat-lahat. They still want you. Gusto nilang bumalik. Gusto ka nila. In general, di ba? In general. Ano tong Seven of Cups na ito na naka-reversed? Yeah, Temperance. They're willing to wait. Oh, they're willing to wait for you. Okay? Do you have... Some of you, meron kang legal issue. May legal background, legal issue, legal matter. pero they are willing to wait. Malinaw sa utak ng taong to na gusto kanyang hintayin. Gusto kanyang ipaglaban yung iba sa inyo. Capricorn. Gusto nyo talaga ng challenge, no? Yes. So, whether current person or past, willing tong taong to na maghintay sa'yo. Lalo na kung ikaw itong may issue. Okay? May issue sa kakonect ngayon. Yes. Focus ng taong to 100% sa'yo. Handa ka nitong ilaban, no? Willing to wait. Yeah. Hindi to titingin sa iba. Ooh, they really like you. They want commitments with you. Sumilip si Nine of Pentacles kanina nung pagbuklat kong ganun. Yeah, they're into you. They love you. Falling in love. This is like genuine. Yun nga lang, di ko alam kung may mali dito. Kung mali man to, ilalaban ka pa rin. Oh my. So, Aqua. Hi, Aqua. So, your person's emotion is coming weak pagdating sa'yo. Let's see. And let's check. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Aquarius. Who is this person? The Eight of Cups. So, your past. Your past person. The Nine of Cups. From 8 of Cups to 9 of Cups. They still need you. They were stalking. They're stalking you. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The King of Pentacles in reverse. They're like self-centered. Nagkaroon kayo ng codependency ng taong to, Aqua. The Nine of Pentacles. I don't know if this is money-based or talagang gusto ka lang nito. What is their emotion for you, Aqua? Okay, yeah. The Five of Cups. There. Sabihin natin nandoon yung energy na sobrang in despair. In despair. Regrets. Disappointments. Excuse me. Yeah, they're sad. The Five of Cups. The Page of Swords again. Oh my, ang lonely nito, Aqua. They're stalking you heavily. Ay, hindi na po ako may stalk kasi naka-block na. Again, 1 million times kung uulitin, hindi ko po tinatanggap yung dahilan na naka-block na. Okay? Maraming paraan para malaman ng taong to kung anong ginagawa mo. Okay? Meaning to say, kung naka-block ka, hindi mo na rin siya nakikita, di ba? So, anong ginagawa mo? You're watching tarot. Watching tarot is one way. Okay? One way. Isang paraan para mag-stalk. Yeah. Nasa isip mo yung tao. Don't tell me na hindi. The Empress is here, the Sun. Ako, itong taong to sa tingin ko talagang napaka nangihinayang sa'yo. Nangihinayang sa'yo itong taong to. Alam niya kung anong nawala sa kanya. Ang laki ng nawala sa kanya. Hindi pa to nakaka-move on. Their separation, yeah, 100%. So, kung kayo ay magkasama, hindi to sa'yo. Okay? Pisces. Okay. Your person's emotion. Your person's emotion this coming week. So, sino ba ito, Pisces? Who are they? Sarap ng siomai, no? O, diba? Nagutom. Oo. Okay, Pisces. Who is this person? Okay, the Hanged Woman in reverse. So, inalisan mo siya, Pisces. Tinalikuran mo siya, binitawan mo, inalisan mo. That's your energy. Yeah, the Two of Wands in reverse. Hinayaan mo tong taong to. Sabihin nating dati ay talagang open ka sa kanya. Inintindi mo, itong taong to could be a fire sign or a fellow Pisces. What is their emotion right now? What is their emotion for you? The King of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, na open pa rin sa taong to, feeling nila control ka nila. Ha? Feeling nila control ka nila. Kung kayo magkahiwalay, kinokontrol nito kung ano man lahat na sa sitwasyon niya. Hindi yan magpapahalata na weak, hindi yan magpapahalata na in need, being needy sa'yo, craving for you, no. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Kung kayo ay magkasama, ang pakaramdam ng taong to ay yes, naka-jackpot na siya pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Some of you kasi talagang ikaw itong open na open lang for them. You're like understanding them. Okay? Choosing to understand them every time, everywhere. Anytime, anywhere. O, diba? Yeah. Feeling nila na-hit nila yung jackpot eh. Pagdating sa'yo. Okay? See? The Magician in reverse. This is control. This is manipulation. Kung kayo magkahiwalay, itong taong to, kunyari, hindi affected. Pero, yeah, they really are affected. Alam nila kung anong nawala. Okay? Alam nila. Feeling, ano lang to, there's like, energy of may front lang, may facade lang itong taong to. They're like wearing a mask. Okay? Deep down. Anong meron? Yan, the Six of Swords. And yeah, again, the Magician in reverse. The Six of Swords, energy na parang tama ba to? Eto ba? Ganyan ba? Tama ba? Ganto? Mali ata ako? Ganto? Ganyan. Okay? Knight of Wands. Some of them, they want to contact you. They want to message you. Okay? So, okay. Dagdagan natin sa huli. Ano pa bang meron? Yung ating... Hang on, sandali lang. Okay, so this is for all signs. Okay, ang tawag ito, the Hidden Truth Oracle. Kung magiging tapat lang sa'yo itong taong to, Ars through Pisces po, ha? O, sa mga hindi naghintay ng pinakahuli. Sorry. Oo. So, meron tayong Hidden Truth Oracle sa dulo ng ating readings. Let's see. Ars through Pisces, kung sila ay magiging tapat lang sa kanilang mga naramdaman, sa kanilang mga itinatago, no? Tingnan natin. Aries. Okay. I don't react when people mention you. So, kung magiging tapat lang sa'yo si Aries, ito yung sasabihin niya. Okay? Taurus. I am not available. Kung magiging tapat lang si Taurus, ay nasasabihin niya sa'yo, I am not available. Gemini. I wish things could be different. Kung tapat lang si Gemini, yan ang sasabihin niya sa'yo. Cancer. Okay, so many things remind me of you. Kung tapat lang at hindi nagtatago na kung ano man si Cancerian, yan ang sasabihin niya sa'yo. Okay? Leo. I knew exactly what I was doing. Yan, si Leo. Kung siya ay magiging tapat. Okay? Virgo. I love you. So, kung magiging tapat lang si Virgo, yan ang sasabihin niya sa'yo. Okay. Oops. Next, Libra. I feel you even though we are apart. So, kung magiging tapat lang si Libra, yan ang sasabihin ni Libra sa'yo. Next, Scorpio. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. So, kung tapat si Scorpio, kung open lang siya, hindi siya nagsisinungaling, yan ang sasabihin niya sa'yo. Okay? Next, Sagittarius. I hide behind material things. Okay, so kung tapat si Sagittarius, yan ang sasabihin niya sa'yo. Kung hindi sila nagsisinungaling, yan ang sasabihin nila. Next, Capricorn. My life is not my life is not as together as it seems. So, kung tapat lang at hindi nagtatago, nagsisinungaling si Capricorn, yan ang sasabihin niya sa'yo. Okay, Aqua. Finding out the truth crushed me. Okay, so yan ang sasabihin ni Aqua kung hindi siya nagtatago or nagsisinungaling or whatsoever pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Next. Pisces. You speak to me through music. Okay, so yeah, so siguro naaalala ka ni Pisces sa mga music na nakapakinggan niya. Kung siya ay magiging tapat, okay, pwedeng sabihin niya yan sa'yo. Kung hindi niya itatago, magsisinungaling or sikreto man yan, sasabihin niya yan sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang aking reading para sa inyong mga all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!